Now let's start with chapter 9, that is multiplication. So first we will understand the concept of multiplication. Multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly like this 2, 2 and 2. 2 is added repeatedly by 3 times. So what it will give? 2 plus 2 plus 2 will give 6. So this can be written as hello 3 times 2 will give 6. Or 3 multiplied by 2 will give 6. Multiplication will be denoted by this sign. Now take another example. 3 buffaloes are there, 3 more buffaloes are there, and 3 more buffaloes are there. So we are adding 3 buffaloes 3 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 will be equals to 9. 3 times 3 will be 9, or 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Same we have to do in this. Fill in the boxes. How many softies are there? This will be 4. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. How many groups? 3 groups. 4 softies will give 12. 3 caps will be there. 3 caps. And how many group will be there? 4. So 4 into 3 will give 12. Now how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 butterflies are there, and we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. So it will be 5 into 5 will give 25. Like this, we have to do the multiplication. Multiplication means adding the same number repeatedly. Now understand multiplication table. This is the multiplication table of 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 8 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 10 times 0 is 0. So, if 0 is added by any number, it will give 0. Now come to multiplication table of 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. 7 times 1 is 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 9 times 1 is 9. 10 times 1 is 10. Now we will understand the multiplication table of 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14. 8 times 2 is 16. 9 times 2 is 18. 10 times 2 is 20. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times 3 is 12. 5 times 3 is 15. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 3 is 21. 8 times 3 is 24. 9 times 3 is 27. 10 times 3 is 30. Now understand the multiplication table of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 4 is 20. 6 times 4 is 24. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 4 is 36. 10 times 4 is 40. Now the multiplication table of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 7 times 5 is 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 9 times 5 is 45. 10 times 5 is 50. Now come to the exercise. What we have to do? We have to write the products. Like this, 3 fours will be 12. And 3 into 4 will be 12. 4 fours is equals to 16. 4 into 4 will be 16. 5 twos is equals to 10. 5 into 2 will be 10. 1 1 will be 1. 1 1 will be 1. 3 threes will be 9. 3 into 3 will be 9. 2 fives will be 10. 2 into 5 will be 10. Write the product of the following. 2 into 5 is 10. 6 into 2 will be 12. 4 into 4 will be 16. 9 into 3 is equals to 27. 7 into 4 will be 28. 10 into 5 will be 50. 8 into 2 will be 16. 5 into 5 will be 25. 3 into 7 will be 21. 7 into 5 will be 35. 6 into 3 will be 18. 4 into 4 will be 16. Now understand the vertical multiplication. Vertical multiplication is like in this way. So 4 will be the number of groups and 2 will be the number of objects in each group. 4 into 2 will give 8. Now do this. 7 into 3 will be 21. 4 into 3 will be 12. 6 into 7 will be 42. 3 into 3 will be 9. 4 into 5 will be 20. 7 into 0 will be 0. 9 into 3 will be 27. 6 into 8 will be 48. 4 into 7 will be 28. 5 into 3 will be 15. 7 into 5 will be 35. 4 into 4 will be 16. 6 into 3 will be 18. 6 into 6 will be 36. 2 into 3 will be 6. 2 into 2 will be 4. 4 into 2 will be 8. 9 into 3 will be 27. 9 into 1 will be 9. 5 into 1 will be 5. 5 into 5 will be 25. 3 into 1 will be 3. 7 into 2 will be 14. 7 into 4 will be 28. Now let's come to multiple choice questions. The sign of multiplication is this. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 will give 12. So we can write this into like this. 4 into 3. 2 into 7 is equals to 14.